Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Bringing you some extreme cleaning motivation.
Enormously instantaneously.
This is the battery operated spinning mop that I purchased a couple of weeks ago. You just see me going across every floor in the bottom half of my home. And it's a pretty neat little gadget. I am changing out the microfiber pads on the bottom very frequently just to kind of keep it clean. And after I've picked up so much dirt and debris, I just kind of want to keep it clean and keep it going. Other than that, it works like a breeze.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Here is my super sad sofa. Yes, I know, it's pitiful. Even the slip cover makes it look even pitiful. But hopefully someday soon I'll be getting a new living room arrangement. And I am so excited and looking forward to that.